Hello friends, today I am here with one more my healthy recipe for the pizza base and the garlic bread. In this video you will get the three recipe all together in one go. I used for this pizza I used whole wheat flour and the sorghum flour or jowar ka atta, what we say. Detailed recipe is there, you can check. First thing we did, first we made the dough. For making dough we took 3 cup of flour, in which 2 cup is whole wheat flour and 1 cup is the sorghum flour. I use the instant yeast, 2 teaspoon instant yeast with 2 tablespoon sugar, little chili flakes, some Italian seasoning and little salt, and made a dough. For making dough, I used the warm water. It took almost little more than 2.5 cup water to make this dough for me. After that, making dough, you need to knead it very well. Approximately minimum 8 to 10 minutes. You should knead the dough till that it becomes smooth and fluffy in nature. We just keep kneading it, and later on, like after 7 or 8 minutes, we will incorporate the olive oil. I use 3 tablespoons around olive oil for this recipe. Just little by little add olive oil and just incorporate into the dough. When you find it is smooth and pliable, then just apply little olive oil on the top of the flour, like on the surface, and grease one big pan in which you will keep it into the keep it for the proofing. That also we will grease, and we will transfer our dough into the pan, and then cover it with cling film, which keep it warm and help to proof it well in less time. You can see how the dough changed when after kneading. Now it's almost ready, and I will transfer into the pan for the proofing. It took 1 hour for me to proof this dough. If you are in the cold place, you should keep it to a little warm place, like you can keep it in the microwave or your oven. After proofing, we have to deflate it again. After deflating, I divided my dough into the 4 parts. 3 parts I use to make 3 large pizzas, and 1 part I use to make the garlic bread. I used a homemade pizza sauce for this. I have given the link into the description box. First, roll the pizza base flat, thin base. Prick it with the fork, and then apply the sauce on the surface of the pizza base. First pizza I am showing you the mixed veggies pizza. I use the sliced vegetable with lots of mushroom, cheese, and some some seasoning. And the next variety I used is paneer tikka pizza. For this I marinated paneer in hung curd and some spices and chili garlic paste, and I use this marinated paneer for the pizza. This tastes very well. With paneer I use capsicum and onion for this pizza, and top with the jalapenos and olives. You can use if you want tomatoes also. I just avoided tomatoes. Cover the pizza with a lot of mozzarella cheese, and then I baked it into the gas oven. I kept my gas oven both rods setting into the high, and it took me 25 to 28 minutes to get a nice crispy crust with the amazing pizza texture. You can see all the cheese and all melted very well. For making garlic bread, I made the garlic butter. For that, I used the parsley, garlic, butter, and some cream cheese in this mixture to give the cheesy flavor. I divided my fourth part of dough into small balls, equal small balls, and just flattened it on the surface. Just flat each ball and apply generous amount of the garlic butter in this and fold it into the half moon shape. Now you can see in the video how you can fold it into the petal shape. It's very easy to make. You just make all the pieces like that and then take a baking pan, grease with some oil or butter and arrange these petals in whatever form you want and keep it for the proofing again for 20 to 25 minutes. You need to leave some space in between so that after proofing you will get the proper fluffy bread. You can see how I arranged. After proofing it will become like that. Just bake it. It took 20 minutes and this is how it looks after bake. You can apply extra garlic butter on the top of bread before serving. Hope you like the video. Thank you.